Cool. Here we go. Welcome to the thing. Let's build an Obby. So today we're building an obstacle course. That'll be used as like a template for all future obstacle courses for people building games. So we need a couple of things. I got my bouncy here. I quite like it. We have a good starting point. Alright, we're gonna have to do some live coding along the way. That'll be fun. Sorry, 1 second. Cool. Cool. Twitch is frozen. Is it playing nice? I think we're back. Okay. Alright. The next thing I really want is like some kind of pusher. I'm gonna say horizontal pusher. It's going to move using logic. It's not gonna have a model yet. Give it a drawing of a box. Interesting. Let's reload. When in doubt. Okay. So now we have our box. Good. So we're gonna make it long. Something like that. Maybe we'll give it a fun pattern. Let's draw a pattern. Something kind of oppressive. This might be good enough. That for now. Then we want to let's add a head to it. Let's draw something. That feels like something. Okay, let's change how it looks. Add a drawing. Push your head. Okay, Let's offset it so it's at the front. This feels like something. Okay. Now we have to change how it interacts. It's currently a box that's back there, which is not exactly what we're looking for. We really want a box that's like up here. So that should work. Now what we want to do is we need it to move back and forth. So we are going to customize a timer. I'm going to call this change movement. We're going to do it every, we'll say it takes 5 seconds. Let's do it in seconds. Every 5 seconds, add a new action to set the speed of this game object. We're going to set the X to 10. I can attack right now. Let's save. Tick. 5 seconds. I'm going to set a flag. Let's do this the fun way. Variables. Let's collapse this. Toggle a flag. On this game object, create a new variable called direction something. This game object. This whole new eyes, a little new. Might have to do this the less fun way. I think we're gonna have to. Should I set a flag? Oh, I gotta move things around. Alright, let's do this the less fun way. Modify cold blocks. Modify. We want to set the physics of this game object dot velocity x, right? Yep, side to side. I'm gonna set it to, let's just set it to something and see what happens. Set it to like 10. I really do want to create a variable. Let's say change its variables, but I'm gonna have to modify this. A new one. Block. So this is all kind of getting outside the scope of things, but this one UI is a little too new. Yeah, okay. Let's do this. 1 second. Direction. I'm going to set to true initially, sure. And then every timer, I'm going to say game object variable dot variables. I'm going to set the direction variable to not the current direction. So we're going to toggle that. Then what we're going to say is if the object variable is equal to true, it's equal to true, then set it to that. I'm going to create an else. There we go. Else. Set it to -10. Sorry. Alright, let's see what this does. Okay, it's moving back. 5 seconds. And there it goes. Alright, let's make sure it pushes. Here, so initially, we're going to have to set the velocity to something. Change how it interacts. We'll set it to be, what did I set, 210? I set it to 10. 10, yeah. Which is a little too slow, a little too easy. Let's set it to like 15. Okay. Close it on accident. $15. Okay. Oh, it's going up and down. I set the wrong one. 15. And we go back. Still very slow. Also, kind of looks like a penis, which is a real problem. Also, I think the direction it's going initially is not right. So we're going to set it to minus 15 and then 15. Let's just set it like 30. Let's go for broke. Five seconds is probably too long. So let's set it down to like 2. Two seconds still very long. Okay, let's move it back a little bit. We can also change the size of it, but I think this is fine for now. It really does look like a penis, though, which is a genuine problem. Alright, let's fight through that for now. So we have our horizontal mover. Let's clone this and make a vertical one. The vertical one's going to be even worse. I'm going to keep the whole thing the same, but I guess I'm just going to turn it. Maybe that'll work. Direction. Let's not that way. I really want it to go that way. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's still going up and down. So we are going to set the how it interacts. Let's set this to be on the Y 15 or so. Okay, timer, change movement, velocity Y, velocity Y. Okay, there we go. All right, we got the base for something. Nothing great, but the base for something. Okay. We have our checkpoint. I don't think this is wired all the way through. So on collision with the player, we're going to set the animation frame, that's fine. Then what we're going to do is set the variable for respawn X on the colliding player. Good. Yep, respawn X. To physics this dot X. We'll copy that 3 times. Put you there, we'll put you there. We're going to select it to respawn Y and respawn Z. Good. Position Y, position Z. And that's really all we need to do. Let's give this a try. Let's try to make it up there. So now, if we hit that and then we fall to oblivion, we'll come back. Very good. Let's set the initial to be here. So this position is currently 044.0. So I want to modify these variables. Respawn X 0. That's the respawn position if you just fall randomly. Alright, we got some legs there. That's fine. Okay, so now we have this bouncer, which I don't think is working exactly right yet. But let's just add some level because it's fun. Let's go... Black's kind of fun, actually. Let's go super dark. Let's let the player choose which way they want to go. Let's just copy this because I kind of like it. Okay. Okay. So now we have our two paths. Oh, we have the white path and the black path. I'm into that. Blood fill. 2 white. And 2 black. There we go. Okay. So you can go that way or that way. Let's put another bouncer right about there. And let's put another one here. I'm going kind of symmetrical, which I'm not that happy about. I'm also not that creative. So let's get rid of this bouncer. Okay. Okay. So now they have a bouncer, and I think that bouncer jumps at like 150 or something. So let's keep going. Let's just go down the rainbow. So we'll go up, and then use this as our starting point. Okay. So let's... I'm gonna move this a little. And I think we're just gonna copy the whole thing and move it over. Select wand. Okay. In fact, let's just copy this whole thing as it is and then color it. We'll do one more. Let's make it real far away. Let's copy this. Oh no. Things have gotten weird. Oh, it's right there. No, I'm cloning. Okay, that's alright. We need a lot of these anyway. Let's put you somewhere over there. Let's put you somewhere over there. Things have gotten weird. Alright, let's refresh. Okay, you're gonna go there. You're going to go up here. You're going to go up here. Copy this whole thing. Not that. Ta-da. Okay. A little bit more. Nope, I cloned it. Beautiful. Alright, let's color them. Cool. So then we're going to make it to the promised land. Oh. Oh. Actually, I don't mind that. Create another checkpoint. 2. Let's see if there's any way we can make it up here. I got my penises over there, that's fine. Nope. I must not have set that value. Okay. Alright. And we did it. Checkpoint. Now let's fall off and see if our checkpoint logic works. It did not. On collide with player, set to the position, set the collided object, and then, oh, I know why. It's not you, it's the player. So our player has a tick, where I set the position, I hard code it to that. That's what's happening. So we are going to, I'm gonna kill this, and we're gonna do it in code blocks. Modify. I'm gonna say if game object physics math logic if our position x, sorry, y, is less than something like minus 50, then we're going to set our position equal to, I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I guess I'll do it the easy way. Okay, position x, variables, get respawn x. Ta-da! You can see the JavaScript for this is actually really simple. If position y is less than 50, set the position x to variable respawn x. I mean, it's not magic. Let's go back. Let's give it a try. So now when I fall, I should fall immediately. Good. I got these guys. Let's add them. Yeah, blue with a red tip was not a smart move on my part. I'm also gonna make them longer. Feels about right. So I'm gonna move this guy, probably 100, something like that. Okay. Let's clone you. Whoops. Let's reload. Okay. Let's do our upsy downsy. Where? Probably here. Let's see what that'll feel like. Let's also add this guy up here. I'm gonna rotate this one 90 degrees, 180 degrees. All right, let's see. Let's delete you. Let's see what this is like. See, it really just moves too slow, and I don't like it. Choo. Every 1 second, I'm gonna set it to 2 seconds, but I'm gonna make it minus, I don't know, 90 to 90. It's really gonna change the dynamic of things, but I think it's the right decision. Interacts. Initially, it should be at, was it X? Maybe. It's gonna go flying. Yep. Alright, that feels more right. So let's see. What did I do wrong here? Change interaction, movement speed, change. Let's do minus 90. It's still kind of overriding, I'm not sure why. It does feel alive though, which is fun. Alright. Let's figure out what it's doing. Oh, I'm only changing on that one, I'm a schmuck. And I cloned all the rest of them. Shucks. So that's minus 90. Minus 90. Minus 90. Minus 90. Let's set this one to also minus 90, but I'm not sure what it's going to do yet. I think those are okay. I'm going to move this back a little bit. Okay, we're getting there. Let's change this to positive 90. Okay, let's set the initial variable to false. Okay, now we're in there. I also want to stagger them, I think. We can figure that out in a second. Let's see, how did it start? Let's push them back a little. Kind of like that. I don't know why it's cloning that way. It's a very strange bug. Only the tip is solid. Even that. It's gonna get weird. We're gonna have to play with that. Alright. kind of fun. Let's add some bouncers out here as like cheats almost. Set the bounding box on this. Oh, the bounding box isn't offset anymore. That's what happened. So let's make this real big. What did I set it to? 100? No. 200? It's closer. Alright, so just the back isn't. That's alright. Really fun. I want to make the screen shake when you die. Utilities, effects, shake the screen for this player. So it's like minus 20 or something. Falls too far. Shake that guy. Shake him up. Shake it even more. Okay. Alright, so we were able to make it up our thing. I don't know why these are offset. Probably because I cloned them the way I did. Chinchot interacts. Yeah, they are offset. There we go. Well, let's make them long. Nope, other side. Because I rotated them. There we go. Beautiful. See, it's a little too easy from the one side. So let's get rid of this one. I guess I could have just cloned it. Okay, so let's move this guy over here. Let's rotate him. Let's do the same over here. Getting there. Alright, so we're gonna have to offset it because it moves back first. Probably like that. Oh baby. I don't like these things anymore. Change the timer. I think we have it at 2 seconds. I'm gonna get rid of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I like this other part more now. Let's move this up. And you. See, it's not that threatening, but it is fun. Becomes a little bit of a timing game. Okay, hit our checkpoint. So now we'll die. Okay. Alright, forgot about this guy. Okay, so we know what happened there. So he needs to come in. He needs to go out? Alright, let's put him there, and let's bring him up. Cool. Let's do that whole thing again. Here. Yeah, something weird about cloning. Yeah, see, now I'm kind of screwed. Okay. I lost the other one. Let's bring him up. let's see what this says. First, we're gonna reload. How do those look up there? Those are fine, but the right side ones are not. Okay. Okay. Yeah, something weird happened with the cloning there. Let's leave that like there. This feels right. Who cares? Yeah, right. Okay. Can we get on top? I can't jump high enough. Yeah, see, again, they're fun, but they're not threatening. If we move this guy up, he might be. We could also add a spinner. All right, let's do that. Let's create a new game object. No model. How do we want to do this? Create a spinner. I named it incorrectly. Rename. Okay. So now we have our spinner. Change blueprint. Change how it looks. Add a drawing. Add a drawing of a box. Spinner H. Add a spinner. V. Let's put a ball in the middle. Alright. Does this exist on my map anywhere? It's down here, but is it really? Yeah, it might be, okay. Alright, let's just put it over here for right now. And change how it looks. So the H is going to be real long. 64 is probably not enough. Okay. The V is going to be real something. Is it 200? Very good. Okay. This thing is going to be crazy red. And you also. Sure. Okay, and then the ball in the middle. Let's make this like 32 just for symmetry. I don't know why I want a ball in the middle, but I do. Ooh, let's make it glow. The red glows. Let's see, is it glowing? We're getting selected. Change how it looks. Color, there she is. Beautiful. Okay. So now, let's... it's gonna be kind of complicated. Let me think. Let's change how it interacts. You can't have multiple bounding boxes, unfortunately. I wasn't really thinking about this as I built it. So let's set it to 200. Let's see if we hate it. And then we're going to make it spin like crazy. Let's just see what happens. That's a little too crazy. 50 is too much. Even that's a bit much. Alright, that feels like something. Where are we going to put this? We were originally going to put it over there. I'm not sure. I see it's going to be too small. So let's put it like here and here. See what this feels like. Coming together. See, I could make it so if you touch one of those, it kills you, which would probably be a little bit more fun. At least it'll be more difficult. Okay, let's change its collision with player changes collision with the horizontal mover. Okay, we are going to set our same action from before. We're going to reset it. It'd be nice to have this in a function, but I'm trying not to get that complicated. But we can. Physics, set physics variables, position X. This game object. I gotta reload. Oh, I'm not modifying. Modify. There we go. Yes. Game objects. Physics. Position X. Variables. Get. Respawn X. If I do that, I gotta make them red, which will probably be a little bit better anyway. Position Y. Position Z. Y. And Z. And let's play a sound. Let's find the sound. Asset store. Audio. Oh, I love these guys. Let's see what we got here. No, it's gotta be something crazy. There's a lot of dice related ones. Okay, laser. That's actually not bad. Let's add this for the sake of adding it. Not power up. That's a little too mild. Draw a knife. Footsteps. Alright, laser's fine. Not ideal, but it's fine. Shake the screen. Let's copy that. Collision. I'm gonna shake the screen. Play a sound for the player. Laser, sure. And we're going to shake the screen. Let's see how we do. He's colliding, but he ain't doing much. Set this game position on collision with the horizontal pusher. What if I should set it as a sensor? Interacts. Sensor. Shouldn't have to, but let's just give it a try. No, it just goes right through. So there's something else horrible happening. Change its collision, horizontal pusher. I'm not sure, I gotta check on what's happening. So let's keep going. And let's make this less weird looking. That's the blue. Let's make it red. Let's get rid of my zebra print. Let's make it white. It's some kind of silly something. I got an unglow. Now let's see if we hate it. A lot of happy accidents in game development. That's what we've learned. The pattern didn't update. Alright, let's reload. Do. There we go. It's actually kind of fun. I don't really dig the glow though. It's a little too much. Let's change it to regular red. I'm gonna keep the blue and maybe the black too. Let's reload. Alright, that feels like something. Alright, let's fix this head now, because that also looks atrocious. Let's make this maybe like a red sphere. That's a little silly. Maybe we can paint something fun on it. Let's see if I hate this. Yeah, see, it's not really right. It's a little uninspired. Alright, we're getting there though. Alright, let's play with our toys up there. I'm gonna make this harder. This is not symmetrical, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is. Okay. Good. Well, alright, now we're getting somewhere. Actually failed unintentionally. This part's a little too simple, but we can fix that. This part's a little too easy. Checkpoint. Let's go this way. Let's start checkpoint while we're here. Okay. This is a little too crazy now. It's a little too crazy. I don't know why that's not working. It's also kind of non-threatening. I like how far away this one is. Let's test our new checkpoint. Very good. Okay, so the next thing, so all this is fine. Not ideal, but fine. I want to create some more fun. So what we're going to do is create a coin. I think I have a coin in the App Store. Tree, we got Pac-Man. We're gonna need this trophy eventually. Baseball hat, that's kind of fun. No, no coin. Okay. We have the treasure chest, which we can add. Alright, let's draw a coin. There we go. 4. Okay. Love that color. That's better. Give it some kind of white emblem. Symmetrical? No, it isn't. Let's mirror. X and Y. There we go. Okay. Oh, I should have mirrored Z2. Darn. Darn, darn, darn. Alright, let's do it again. Where did I start? Sugar. Okay. From there, 3, 3. Okay. Is that right? I think so. And let's give it a glowing edge. Which is not super easy to do, but I think it'll look cool. Again, I did not mirror correctly. Cool. Let's make the middle glowing too. No? White glow is kind of weird. I think that's what's happening. Alright, let's see how it does. Okay, so now we're going to create a new game object called coin. And we are going to set that to our coin model. We're not going to give it real world physics. I don't say coin 1 or something. I'm going to put it here. We're going to put 1 on each side so the player knows about it. Collect these coins. Change how it interacts. We're going to make it spin. That's fine. We're going to make it a box, but much... we can actually bind it to the drawer. Okay, that works. Good, good, good. Okay. Okay. Then we are going to make it so. On collision with the coin, we are going to increase a counter. I think we already saw this counter thing is kind of busted right now. On this game object, create a new variable. Coins. Okay, increase it by 1. Very good. Then we're going to destroy the collided with game object. Sure, it'll explode. Who cares? Alright, let's see what happens here. Whoop. I set the velocity, not the spinning velocity. And that's my bad. Here she goes. Cool. And we collide, and then he breaks. And we collide, and then he breaks. So let's make some coins. Let's just sprinkle these throughout the... That was a glitch, but I actually like it. Okay. I'm going to... So the question is, do I want them to collect all of them? I feel like the answer is yes. Then it kind of makes this really tedious, which is not that useful. So I'm just gonna put a couple on top. Been doing this for just about an hour. I feel like we have a pretty fun level. Not very fun, but a little fun. Okay, alright, so now we're just going to put a bunch on top. This is your reward, and maybe even this is the end. I'm going to go back and fix some bugs. Okay. Also, my tree here looks like a tree and not a checkpoint. But if I make this glow around the middle, then perhaps it will. It's actually really cool. What if I... Okay, we'll do it over here too. And we'll make the top. There we go. That looks like something. Save. Okay. So now we can collect our coins, but they're not super helpful. But I don't know, this feels like a level. I don't know. Is it the most fun thing ever created? I'd say it's probably top 5. Okay, let's try to get all the coins. So there needs to be something more here. Just getting the coins is not fun enough. Yeah, I guess I failed, but it's not that fun. These bouncers are really fun, actually. That was the other thing I wanted to add, where it like drops from the sky. Alright. The question is, should you be penalized for falling as far as the coins are concerned? I guess the answer is no, but it's only no because it would be very hard to do. Okay. Cool. Fuck. That cube there is eating away at me every time I see it and then I forget. Yeah, so we have to add a little bit more peril and less annoying to this part. Come on, bounce you. Yeah, the spinner is not gonna work. At least not here. It's pretty though. I am not. I guess I'll get the coins again. Alright, so let's delete that one block that eats me away. That's one. But then let's make this part more fun. How can we do that? We can add that spinner that we hate. Yeah. See, it's so big. See, it did that thing again. Or it added the coin. That's very weird. Alright, let's even reload it. So big. Alright, so let's fix it then. Let's get rid of spinner V, because it doesn't really work anyway. It's funny, I didn't update the drawing. Let's reload. Okay. See, I don't think this solves the problem we want it to. It's still just kind of annoying. Let's get rid of this and put another one of these over here because I'm really actually liking these things. And to that end, let's put another one way over here. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's snap this. 1, 2, 3. Got a feeling it would do that. You can actually make it up here. We're going to call this the end. So let's create a new end, goal, model, trophy. Only moves. Cool. Good. We're gonna make it real big. Make it up here. You did it. Let's center it. Cool. You know we're gonna make it spin. That's what we do. I think it's movement speed. Make it spin more than the coins. Oh, we gotta add more coins. Oh, let's add coins up here. That's interesting. There's another another box there. Okay. Where are my coins at? Again, do we want them to collect them all? We do. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one like over there. I'm gonna make some coins. Here, we're gonna cheat a little. So the position of this, 9, 32, 11, 68. 9, 11, 68. What was this one? 9, 33, then 2. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Here. I really don't know if these are collectible or not. I don't know if any of this works. Let's see. Alright, let's get some coins. What can I do with you? Can I make it? I can. So I'm going to remove that one. You. I just want to introduce them to the concept of it. I also want them to die. Because they can't make it, but if they hit that bouncer, they can. Ugh. That is the response you want to have. Visceral anger. Yeah, see, that's a little too strong. Oh. She can clear all the way up here. I can crank one down. Oh, man. I want that checkpoint so bad. See, that's fun. You have to wait. Oh no, where'd that guy go? Okay. This thing isn't doing anything for anybody. Oh, that one is hard to clear. I gotta figure out why these aren't bouncing right. Got it. Okay, checkpoint. Alright, here we go. Yeah, so you can't even see them really. But you can collect them. Oh, yeah. That's pretty fun. I did not collect it. Where the hell's my trophy? Alright, let's reload. Rid of these. They're just not doing it for me. Alright, let's add a coin first. And a new heads-up display. I don't remember putting these labels there. It is going to be an image label of player coin count. That's the idea. It's supposed to be annoying. Isn't that the goal of everything you want to do? It's got to be annoying. Okay, so we're going to make the background color. And I haven't been in this UI in a while. I think it might be busted. Do. We may have to add this here in a bit. Okay. Top to bottom. Yeah. I gotta play with this. Alright, that's fine. So let's... This might be the end. This is the end. Alright, we should be good. Okay, so we added our coins, we added our trophy. We can make it. Alright, let's add a ball dropper to this area. So here's how we're gonna do this. Here's how we're gonna do this. Create a new one called ball dropper. Oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay. Only moves using logic. Ball dropper. Okay. Change how it looks. Add a box. Ball dropper. It's gonna be pretty big. No height to speak of. Sure, 64 by 64. Cool. Let's go up here. I'm gonna make this real big. Scale. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Is this going over the whole spot that I want? It is. I'm gonna make it a little less opacity. Okay. Let's make it, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. Let's write down these numbers. $384 and $432. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. First, I want to make this. Let's make a pattern. Dropper pattern. Yeah, purple's okay. Well, if this is what I want now. Let's not get so married to it. Now it's not symmetrical. And this whole thing is not symmetrical. It's gonna be really annoying. Let's just see what happens. Alright, so let's go for broke then. Alright. You change how it looks, pattern, dropper pattern. Yeah, let's go for broke. So the only thing that sucks is the way the lighting is working. We can change that. I don't like it. That's fine, I'm gonna leave it. Okay. Timer. First, I want to create, I want to add, there's a pool ball in here that I want. You. Cool. Okay, next we're going to add a game object for that. Call it pool ball. I'm gonna bind it to this model, and it has real world physics. We are not going to add it to the map. What we're gonna do is customize a timer. Call it drop pool ball. We're gonna have to do some blockly on this. What we're going to say is create a new game object of pool ball. I'm going to create a new variable. Alright, now we are going to set the position of our pool bally to be, oh no, create pool ball. Oh, it's not a variable, I'm sorry. Let's let the physics of our pool ball position equal to, create a new vector of my position. Let's see, how do we want to do this to create the least amount of code? Do it again, not variable. Physics. Of this game object. Interesting, there's a bug here. Alright, we're gonna do it the fancy way. Modify. Okay. Set the position to this dot position dot, let's go fully fancy if we're gonna do it. Okay, this dot position dot, alright, first and foremost, we're gonna say QG utils dot random between our number 384, 0, and 384 divided by 2. Okay. Const random x is equal to that. Random z is equal to 432. Let's say a little cleanup. Okay. We're going to set this to new vector 3 of random x plus this dot position dot x. Then this dot position dot y minus, like, I don't know, probably 50, and then random z minus this dot position dot z. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. We're gonna do this every, what did I say? 5 seconds, whatever. Okay. So let's move it up a little bit. And then our pool ball. We're gonna change how it looks. Okay. So when it's created, we are going to set drawing pool ball animation frame is a, do I have round? I do. Of random number between, I think there are 12 frames, 11. Zero and 11. Okay. It's actually 0 and 10. Okay. Okay, it's gonna create that, and then we're going to say, we're just gonna destroy it. After 5 seconds, we're gonna destroy it. Explode it into blocks. It should be enough time. Let's make it 6 seconds. And let's make this thing cook, 4 seconds. I'm gonna do it in milliseconds. I'm gonna say 3,500. Let's see what happens. Oh, we died. Unexpected identifier. So I just got a weird straight up bug. Let's see if we can track down why. Go away. Clean up code. It's not here. Timers, how it interacts. Is it you? Timer, create a timer. Pool ball dot position, create new pool ball. Not sure. Let's reload. It was definitely when it was created, so it has to be in the pool ball. When it's created, well, it's probably mat.round. No, animate. Oh, it's a space. What do I want to do here? Let's modify code. I really do want to fix this bug. I'm gonna fix this bug. We're gonna kill just 20 seconds. Block the utils. Let's see how a little sausage is made. That's fun for everybody. Okay, it's custom blocks, game objects, drawing. Drawing name, drawing name, drawing name. There we go. Safe. In fact, a lot of these should be. Okay. Alright, that should do it. Let's reload. If you're listening, sounds good. Okay, pool ball, change blueprint, created, pool balls, view code, underscore, very good, okay. All right, let's see what he does. Oh, there he is. So where did it get created? Oh, it's creating it way low. Ah, I screwed up the position Y. View, timer. Whoops. Whoops. All right, let's do it. Yeah, it's gotta create it more. It's gonna be like a real kind of hell on physics engine, but it does have to create more of them. Change out into racks. I'm gonna make it a sphere. Yeah, sphere. Radius. I think my balls are 32. Right? Yeah, 32. So that's a radius of 16. Okay. Where's the pool ball, right? Change blueprint, how it interacts. Yeah, good. Oh, more often. Timer. That's you. Ball dropper, timer. It's gotta go every second. There's no way around. Physics be damned. Oh, that's fun. Some of them stay. And then they'll explode after 6 seconds. Oh, that's fun. Oh, I kind of want to put those pool balls everywhere. That explosion is brutal. Why isn't that exploding? I got that other bouncer back. The trophy up there? Oh, it's way up in the air. I screwed up. It's so funny they just fall. I gotta make a bouncy. We can do that too. Okay. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Why is my trophy so far up in the air? Change out interacts. It's a box. It's right there. It's so weird. Don't clone it. Cloning's getting kind of laggy. did that. Alright. I think that's a wrap for this episode. We got some stuff to do and some stuff to work on. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And if you did, please like and or subscribe. I gotta put that one jumper back. Oh no. Oh, let's make the balls bouncy. Alright, let's put the jumper back. I don't know where it went, but it went. That's easy. Okay. And then let's make the pool balls bouncy. Really bouncy. As bouncy gets. I'm gonna make more of these. They were really fun. You got a jumper. And you got a jumper. Nope, that's not right. Alright, so we want it to be like over here. That's actually pretty close. Yeah, who cares? It's a little too wide. Unnecessarily wide. Eh, who cares? I gotta make these things not explode. Change. Timer. Destroy. Don't explode. Just raining these balls. Let's go this way. We haven't done that yet. Oh no! Yeah, I had a feeling that would happen. Let's make it so. Checkpoint. Player. Pusher. Tick. Let's make it like. I guess we could do this the easy way. On checkpoint. Collision with player. Just do the math here. So y plus, like, I don't know, 50. Who cares? All right, that's it, kids. Thanks a million.